Who the heck is this chopped guy thinking he's the Flash? According to my database, he—
Of course, somebody here. I know you want to fight. If you don't want to fight, I'm still gonna fight.
Maybe we can take this guy, come on.
Let's get with it.
Total concentration.
Lightning strikes continues with accuracy.
prepare to be on a unlive. Us robots are smarter than the average human, and just let you know we're not gonna go easily in new humans. We already have—
Just like that one corn said in that video, dude, don't say unalive. Just saying that we're not even demonetized, and plus, it's more dramatic and scary.
Hey, get over here, you punk rabbit juice.
Yeah, idiot. Crap, I swear I—
Alright, I'm tired of doing this. It's time for you guys to die and giggling all the humans or humans.